Hello, good morning. I wanted to show you the Lisa keyboard converter and how it works. There's three parts. This part is an Arduino Uno, which I bought for a whole $7.95. This is a USB host shield. This allows you to plug a keyboard. It basically has a USB host controller that talks to the Uno through SPI interface. And then this board is the breakout board for the Lisa keyboard emulator software. There's a matrix of switches, some configuration jumpers, the jack to the keyboard, Lisa keyboard connector, and a switch to decide whether or not if it's getting the power from the Lisa or getting the power from the Arduino. So I'm going to try to assemble this with one hand. I don't think I can do that. So basically these boards just stack on top of each other. I will try to assemble them correctly. Let's see. That looks right. And this board is going to go on top of here. Okay, so now you can see the stack. So the boards just basically stack on top of each other. I've already programmed the Arduino. You program the Arduino through the USB connector right here. And that's about all there is to it. So I have a keyboard, a cable. This is just a standard, actually it's an audio patch cable with the 1/4-inch plugs, stereo, plugged in the Lisa. And then I plug the other one in to the adapter. Again, this kind of takes two hands, and I don't know if I can do it with one hand. Let's see. Okay, so now it's plugged in. So the last piece of the puzzle is to plug in the Lisa USB keyboard. I have a Macintosh USB keyboard, and I'm going to plug that in. You can see that I plugged that in. And we're ready to go. So we're going to fire up the Lisa. Turn the power on. I'm going to hit the power switch down here. As you can see, it's coming on. And now I'm waiting for it to come up. So Lisa should be waking up. I have 2 megs of slot RAM on this one, so it takes a little while for the power on test to go. Something real important to notice is you will not get a keyboard error because the Lisa is happy with the keyboard provided by the adapter. No keyboard error. There's the adapter. There's my USB keyboard. So I'm going to boot up. I could do that with the mouse, but I'm actually going to use the keyboard. So I don't know if I can get these both in the shot. Probably not. I'm going to go Apple 1 on the keyboard. So this is the Apple key, which actually has an apple on it, and on this USB keyboard. And then number 1 here. So, and I'm now booting to the X profile that I have sitting over here. So far, so good. And now we gotta wait for Lisa to boot. So far, so good. Okay, it doesn't like the time because I don't have the battery in here. Okay, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna start up Lisa, right? I'm gonna make the font big so we can see it. I'm also gonna make it, well, that's fine. can make it bold. So to bold is actually, if you notice, is Apple B. So I'll use the keyboard here. Again, Apple keyboard, Apple B. And now you'll see that it's bold. And we can type. I'm going to the exclamation point. Now I'm going to select all this. I'm going to center it. I think center is Apple K. So we're going to go down here and we're going to say Apple K. You notice it centered it on the screen. USB keyboard. I'm typing with one hand and holding the phone with the other, so hopefully that makes some sense. Let me see if I can somehow type fast and you could still see it. I don't know how I could do that. Bear with me here. Can I put the phone down somehow? Well, you have to believe me that it works. Maybe I can put the phone down real quick, type something fast, and you'll see what I typed. So you'll at least hear me typing. How about that? Maybe that way you can see me typing. Okay, that's what I typed. It works perfect. No problems. Hope this is interesting to you guys. Thanks. Bye.